Welcome, friends of the Greasy Shop Rag. Today we're going to take a look at an auger. I don't know if it's an earth auger or an ice auger. Looks like it's got a pretty heavy-duty metal gearbox, though. It could certainly be an earth auger. And it looks like it's a Shark brand. I got nothing. I don't know. Never seen one of these before. The owner picked it up at a garage sale and just wanted me to see if I could get it going for him. If it was anything major, then it was going to get tossed in a dumpster. Shark brand, huh? Why did the shark cross the reef? To get to the other tide. To get to the other tide. Okay, we looked in the cylinder, it looked good. So, why? Why? You spend $4 on a light, this is what you get. What was I going to say? The cylinder looked clean, and that makes me think that we're going to get this running for him. Into the carburetor we're going to go. So while he is unbolting things, why don't we look into some more shark jokes? What is a shark's favorite meal? Think about it. Fish and chips. Fish and chips. Yeah. They're just all stupid, so don't think there's going to be like a gem in here. Although the one I'm saving for the end is kind of my favorite. So what do we have here? You know, I'm looking at this thing and I still don't know who or where this thing is made. But I do like the fact that there's a shutoff valve in that fuel tank. So we have got the carburetor off. We're going to dig into it a little bit and see if we have stiff metering diaphragm, because I mean, I do 10 of them a day. I mean, that's, if you want to be a 2-cycle mechanic, plan on replacing metering diaphragms. So what song do sharks sing when they hunt for food? Don't Stop Believin'. It's a popular one. At least it was back in my day. Listen. Click, 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 click. See, yeah, that was a stiff metering diaphragm. Alright, this guy's really hauling butt here now. We got the metering diaphragm installed. We're going to take a look at the pump diaphragm. The micro screen is clean. And you know, the fuel didn't stink. The carburetor doesn't stink. These things don't often have to be run through the ultrasonic cleaner. A lot of times I'm just putting in diaphragms and we're good to go. The fuel lines on here even look good. We're leaving them on. So we're just going to kind of bolt things back together and see if it's going to run. What do sharks order at McDonald's? A quarter flounder. I like quarter flounders. Alright, simple stuff. 2 bolts going through the intake box, through the carburetor, bolted to the cylinder, and 1 bolt over there on the side that I dropped. Just getting gaskets and such lined up and we'll screw it together. There it goes. Is it going? There it goes. Shark brand. I don't remember Oh, shark. Is it say by Eskimo? I guess I don't really pay a lot of attention to that until I have to order parts, right? I mean, otherwise, they're all the same thing. If you're a mechanic, it doesn't really matter if it's a husky or a steel or an echo or a shark. All the basic principles for fixing things are the same. You know, you need certain things to happen in a certain order in order for it to run. And you just diagnose which part of the puzzle is out of whack and fix it. Pretty simple, really. And I like puzzles, so this kind of work appeals to me. Let's take a look in the fuel tank. Now, here's one part where I probably could have thought this through a little bit better. Just check out the order in which I do things here in the next minute. So where do sharks go on vacation? Finland. Get it? They got fins. Alright, we're putting fuel in the tank. Now we're fishing the fuel filter out of the tank and replacing it. This isn't necessarily the proper order for doing this, but it's the order I filmed it in because it's the order it actually happened. So I must have forgot about the filter or whatever. Got excited to get it running and I put fuel in it, whatever. Doesn't matter. It's all good. We'll prime it up and then get ready to run it. But before we run it, what's a shark's favorite sandwich? Peanut butter and jellyfish. Well, it is. And for my grand finale joke, what do you call the mushy stuff stuck between a great white shark's teeth? Slow swimmers. Okay, that's all I got for you on the shark auger. Thanks for watching. Later. Well, that thing sounds wonderful, don't it?